All right, we got our chicken coop. This could actually house 4 to 6 chickens. It's about 3.3, 6 by 6 by 3.3. Um, this is a small little cage. It's perfect, especially right now because I do have a couple of roosters that are just fighting all day, and I need to separate them at night. So we got this chicken coop just for that. Now it took me about an hour and 20 minutes to put together. The whole thing was very simple, and zip ties were just holding out the whole entire net, which is great because you can always replace it if you need to. Now, it's not just made for chickens. You could house any type of animal. Now, if you are going to house any kind of rabbits or anything like that, just make sure that you actually embed it to the ground so they won't go through under, right? And it's easy to lift, so just make sure you put some weight on it if you're going to house larger animals. Now this is perfect for those that are, new mothers, the chick mothers that are hatching eggs. They want to keep them away from the larger animals or keep them away from predators. This is perfect. Now, like I said, you could add a shade if you want, because there is a shade available, or if you want to hang your lights in there, your heating lights, this is something simple. Now, to move, it's not that hard, it's not that heavy, and to take apart, it's very simple too, also. Now, the whole entire thing took me, like I said, an hour and 20 minutes, but if I want to relocate it, it's going to be less time to take it apart. So, if you guys are looking for something great like this, I hope you guys enjoy this video.